Hey, buddy. Hey. Also got those hiccups. Hey. Goodness. Can you say good morning? Say good morning.